Hi, I'm Colin Cordell, the General Manager of MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. As most of you have heard by now, the 2021 Greater Atlanta Boat Show has been canceled. However, MarineMax Cumming is going to host our very first annual MarineMax On the Water Boat Show. We're going to do this the same dates as the Atlanta Boat Show, January 14th through the 17th. With the record 2020 season that we and the rest of the boating industry had, the inventory is at an all-time low. However, working with our partners from Sea Ray, Crest, Taiga, and Boston Whaler, we've secured a very good inventory of 2021 models for this event coming up. Prior to the event, we're also going to host several smaller events starting November 30th with Taiga Week. Our goal is to have all of our Taiga inventory on the water for display so that you can come in a private, safe setting with your family for a VIP demo experience. We're going to follow that up with a Crest Week, a Sea Ray Week, and then January 14th to the 17th, we'll do our boat show. So we hope to see you then, and stay tuned. We'll have several different communications coming up with follow-ups on the events. I hope to see you then. Have a great day.